Hey everyone, it's Evan here from the Trade Risk, and in this video I want to show you a super fast way to find curated, clean, actionable stocks that are breaking out using MarketSurge, which is a charting platform by Investors Business Daily. I've been meaning to do a handful of tutorials, small mini series on scanning, screening, and some of the features in MarketSurge. So this video is the first of hopefully a handful that are going to be uploaded to our YouTube channel here. So let's kick things off. I've got MarketSurge up right now, and it's just a few clicks here. So if you follow my mouse to the upper right hand corner, there's a green button here that says Open Stock Ideas. And if we click on that, the very first option is breaking out today. It's a list of stocks breaking out today. At the time of recording this, it's a down market. Things aren't super hot right now, but there's still 4 stocks hitting this list. So I can click on this list and you'll see the stocks populate down here in the bottom of my screen, and we can click through each one. And if we take a look at this one, for instance, SAP, you can see it's breaking above this pivot area to multi-week highs. I can hit the space bar, go down to the next one, BAP, nice sideways consolidation, clearing through this nice psychological $200 level. HWM, another one kind of getting rejected, but trying to stick its head out here above its pivot area. And then WGS, again, you can see a longer term kind of breakout. A couple of other things to note when you're just looking through these breakout setups is the weekly base type. So if you're kind of looking for the different types of chart patterns or bases that the stock is emerging from, you can see double bottom consolidation, sometimes cup and handle, depending on what formation the stock is in. Another cool feature that's super easy is alerts. So one of the most common things I get from traders is, hey, I'm looking for breakout stocks. I want to be alerted when it's happening in real time. We can do that pretty easily here. If we go to this notifications bell, click on that. We click on the manage alerts button, and then we go over to event alerts. You can see that there is the very first option, breaking out today. You click on this, and then you can turn on emails. If you have the IBD app, you'll also get notified on the app. You can basically choose all the ways you can get blown up by notifications, and this will show you stocks that are breaking out in real time. One other thing I want to show you is, like a day like today, there's not many stocks that are breaking out, but if I go back to my open stock ideas list, and then I've only seen the 4 stocks from today, but if I go to recent breakouts here and I click on this list, there's 24 stocks. So these are going to be stocks that have recently broken out, and there's just going to be a more wider range to pick from. You can see that this breakout actually happened about 10 days ago, and you can see that now the stock is slightly higher, but it's pulling back to the breakout zone. So again, if I want to see recent breakouts that maybe I'll add to a watch list and stock for pullback setups, this would be a way to do it. And I can just hit the space bar and kind of look through the recent breakouts and look to see if there's any second entry opportunities, or if I just want to add it to the watch list, or maybe pay up for a stock that looks extra good, right? So that's it. I mean, it's very simple. It's taken me a long time, but this is now just part of a daily routine where I click on this button, look for stocks that have broken out that day, and off I go, add them to the watch list if it's something that I am interested in. Of course, IBD has all the other metrics that you can look at in terms of analysis on a stock. One last note, these stocks that we're seeing on the breakout list are from the Growth 250 IBD list. So this is a curated watch list by IBD, which combines fundamentals with technicals. It's the classic kind of Can Slim, William O'Neill criteria, where you have fast growing stocks, good sectors, strong relative strength. That's what's showing up here as your base universe. And then the breakout pivot areas are what's being identified. So Growth 250 list, stocks breaking out, stocks recently breaking out, few clicks, and it's easily in your daily routine. So that is it. Very quick, pointed, actionable video for me today. I get asked all the time about, building complex scan criteria, and I think all of those things have their place and they're great. But for those who just want a curated, simple daily routine approach, check out MarketSurge. We've got links in the description of this video. They've been a sponsor of our content for a while now. They help support the videos that we make on a daily and weekly basis. So thank you to IBD. We've got introductory offers if you use the link pinned down in the comment section or in the description of this video. Take care. Hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you back here in another video.